morning, everyone. After the awesome balloon tour we had, we're gonna have a breakfast. Check the breakfast here at Concept Caves.
Spread, I would say, lots of variety, and with a view too. Alright, so we finished breakfast at our hotel after the hot air balloon thing, and now we're on a tour. It's the red tour, and we're in this really nice van. There's only like 4 of us, so it's a small group, and it's a really nice van. Yeah, so I think we're heading to we'll see where we're heading to first. And this tour was about 50 euros per person. Alright, this is the first stop. This is Uchisar Castle? Yeah.
Yeah, according to the guide explanation, firstly, this was a military unit, and after that it became a hotel for the commerce and business guys that would come around. And the reason that they were able to carve those doors is because this rock formation is actually pretty soft and pretty feasible to be carved, and that's how they found out those rooms and those interesting accommodations. So according to the tour guide, people used to live here until 1985. So you see there are some accommodations there still kind of resembling homes, with windows and all sorts of amenities.
Alright guys, we have made it to the Goreme Open Air Museum, and I was just reading about this place. It looks pretty big, so that's kind of the layout of it. It has a lot of viewpoints. Apparently the Goreme Open Air Museum was formed by a large Christian community back in the 2nd century. So yeah, that's interesting.
So as the importance of this museum is that in this area in Cappadocia, many Christians were able to hide themselves from the Roman Empire, and they had churches and monasteries around here, and we're gonna go check it out.
If someone don't have home to stay, they will stay here.
Monastery.
When you look at them, it looks impossible to stay here. But we should remember, friends, we are talking about.
So this Goreme Open Air Museum is where the early Christians came to practice their or worship, Christianity without persecution from the Romans back in those days. And apparently, since the rock is so soft, and they were able to carve like actual buildings out of it. Our guide said that back in those days, these rocks were actually much larger than they are right now, because since it's a soft rock, it kind of disintegrates after time or melts.
Don't fall too early. Guys, you're about to visit the Apple Church.
Yes, one of the earlier churches here. Unfortunately, I don't think we can film inside the churches, but unless there's like a sign, but we'll see if there's no sign.
And the cool thing about this church is
yeah,
that
there's no
the painting is called a
Really-
fresco.
And it's very well preserved, apparently.
नहीं नहीं कोई नहीं है वो भी हम बताएंगे आप ही
So yeah, this place is the site of the early Christians. There's a lot of early churches here. We're not allowed to film inside the churches, but it's pretty interesting. So this is like kind of the center of early Christianity. So it's pretty cool to see some of these old paintings from the 9th century, something like that.
The 12 to 14.
Yeah, he said 9 to 12 or 14, something like that. I don't know.
This was a dining area. You see the chairs and the table in the middle. And they used to build the table almost at the same level as the chairs for people not to eat too much. And an interesting feature.
Oh yeah, there is this one church here. I think it's called the Dark Church, which is this. Apparently it's extra. It's not part of the Goreme Air Museum ticket. So if you want to visit, it costs extra. I'm not sure exactly how much.
This is the Love Valley, guys. It's called the Love Valley because people come here early in the day to watch the balloons that float all around here, and it brings a romantic vibe, and that's why it's called Love Valley. Another interesting feature is that if you can see, there is a level. You can see on the mountain a level here. This was the sea level before, and actually there are multiple colors due to multiple types of minerals and multiple layers when the sea level rose and went down back again. And right there is the Mount Argus, one of the volcanic areas here, volcanoes. And that's it. Yeah, enjoy the view.
Also includes a buffet as well.
This item consists of 4 separate parts that we create each of them individually. Base, ring, handle, and spout.
No clue.
Vase?
No,
No?
no. Bottom side, and then connect each side of it to each other, and then form that unique shape of the ring that you're about to see. Two. And here's the final product.
Bravo.
Thank you very much. I mentioned the method is completely freehand. That gives us the possibility to do customized orders as well. We also have these tiles as well.
What is that?
So this is called Imagination Valley because some of the rocks here you can see animals. Like there's one right over there that looks like a camel, and that one right there looks like a shark, shark's head. Yeah. And then there's one over there that looks like a hand. Am I pointing in the right area somewhere? Yeah.
The gnome,
Yeah.
dwarf, hat.
Yeah, so you can see the different areas.
The duck, the kissing ducks,
Yeah, I don't know if it'll show in the sun though.
the kissing ducks.
My friends, this is Pasabag area. With the rain and wind erosion, soft part gone around. And that stones are compressing the body stood here, and the rest of them eroded.
Wow, it's really cool how those stones sit on top of those rock formations.
I know, right?
Yeah.